Shake it up. Now shake it up.
Shake it.
Pat, pick it up and shake it. Shake it. Shake it. There you go.
Shake it hard. I need water.
Oh, the garbage truck's in the way.
Garbage truck. Wait.
Shake it.
Shake it. Shake it.
Good job. Oh.
Shake it.
You gotta turn it around.
Like that.
Go shake the car. No, you don't shake the helicopter, just the cars.
Mommy.
Mommy's in the kitchen. She's oh no, don't play with those. Hey,
Daddy.
Patton. Good. Okay, thank you. He's trying to shake up the helicopter.
Huh.
Open.
Okay, you got one more present. Go open the bag. You can open this. Open this. It's from Granny and Pops. Open the bag.
Grab this.
Go.
Okay, pull it over.
Oh.
Pull it. Whoa, what's in it?
Oh.
What's in here?
Pat, no, go in the bag.
Go in the bag.
A bag.
Go look in here.
Pull
Look
all
in
the
here.
stuff in the bag.
Pull it out.
Pull it out. Granny Pop.
Yeah, Granny and Pop sent you that stuff. It's a nice tissue paper. Okay, Pat, you don't have to open
them. You didn't get everything out.
No.
You want a piece of cake? Open up. Get the stuff out of the bag.
Good job. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What's this?
What's this?
Pull on it. Take all the paper off.
Paper up.
What is that?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man saucer chair. Whoops.
Oh my God.
Spider-Man chair.
It's a saucer chair.
A saucer chair. Open it.
Open it. Okay. Well, you got books too in a magazine or comic book. Pat, look. 2 books. Big racing car
Oh wow.
and big bulldozer.
Open it.
Open it.
Spider-Man
Oh,
card.
this is good. We're gonna do our letters to Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you.
Pat, what is that?
Spider-Man chair.
Look at you.
Look at you.
Guys.
Okay, that's not a shake 'em car.
Huh?
I said that's not a shake. He's trying to shake that car. Put it down.
Put it down. You know he would go for those. Did you just try something at me?
Yeah, the paper you asked for.
Huh?
The paper you asked for.
Uh-oh. Move.
Whoa!
Uh-oh. Happy.
Are you happy?
Uh-oh.
You helping Daddy?
Down the pipe.
Choo-choo truck, are you gonna help?
Help.
There's more pieces to help with.
Break it.
You drink that? You're silly.
I don't think that's for drinking.
Mm.
I bet you could put the helicopter on that though.
You helping?
Help.
Hmm?
You don't have to keep on.
Hmm?
Help.
You don't have to keep on.
Help. Uh-oh.
Isn't it wild? That's what Gamma got you. Isn't it? That's what Gamma got you.
Yeah.
Okay, watch the helicopter. No, watch it, Patton. Watch it. It'll go itself. Look, it flies. Wow. Coming in for a landing. Oh, uh-oh. You wrecked the train.
Look and see.
Okay, let's put the green one, whatever it's called, back here. It's facing this way. There it goes. Okay, wait, watch it, watch it. Don't touch it, watch it.
Look at that. Look at that.
Put it on the track. Uh-oh, it's off the track. Oh no. Pat, what's on TV?
Homework? No. Homework. Homework. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Thompson has 4 Medal of Honor recipients.